First warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin.
All right, temperatures statewide, a lot of 70s, but even more 80s than yesterday. And amazing that this is the final last 10 days here of December, and we're still dealing with warmth like this. We've got high humidity as well, dew points in the 60s or above that stretches through at least half of the state. And it's the higher humidity air that's coming from the Gulf that continues to mean nighttime and morning clouds that gives way to plenty of afternoon sunshine and warmth, even if we're still mixing some of those clouds with the sun. As far as our local view, a partly cloudy sky, a couple of spotty sprinkles here and there. I do expect that our partly cloudy sky may briefly give way to a mostly clear sky before the low clouds, some areas of fog and drizzle come back by daybreak, and then we do it all over again, gradually increasing the sun through the morning and into the afternoon with more sun than clouds tomorrow afternoon. Then tomorrow evening, mostly clear until the low clouds come back for Christmas morning at 7. Kind of a gloomy gray start to Christmas, but through the day, sunshine will gradually come out and it should warm up in a big way here for Christmas afternoon. So down to 65 tonight with those increasing clouds, areas of fog and drizzle. The 65, by the way, typical highs this time of year, 63. So our nighttime lows are warmer than our typical highs. In fact, not expecting any of us to drop into the 50s here tonight. So a warm night should set us up for yet another very warm day. Clouds to sun tomorrow and a high of 79. There may be fewer 80s tomorrow than today. It'll be slightly cooler, but most of us still on the cusp of getting back to 80 degrees again. And then we think we do get back to 80 on Christmas Day with clouds to sun. Even warmer on Friday, 82 with clouds giving way to sun. I think Friday the sun comes out a little bit earlier than it will have most of the week, which is going to contribute to temperatures being a little warmer. Same for Saturday, our last day in the 80s here, possibly for the rest of the year, by the way. Not that it's that difficult to say that, given that we're so late in the year. Sunday, we got a cold front coming through, knocks us down to 74. It's going to be a breezy day, and that cold front does come with a spotty shower chance. Rain chances at just 10%, though. It's not super exciting. And then the rain starts to drop to the south of us on Monday. By next Tuesday, we could be talking about temperatures near freezing again Tuesday morning. So morning lows slightly above freezing is the initial forecast from the Metro East, but if not below freezing in the hill country next Tuesday morning. So a sign of winter cold coming back again. I should mention that Saturday high of 82 would tie the record high before those temperatures start to tumble back down. Sunday, not a terrible day, but there'll be a lot of clouds and the wind cooling us off a little bit. And then Monday and Tuesday starting to feel like winter once more.